Welcome back, guys. I got the surprise of my life this just before the weekend. This box arrived for me. I'm just covering my address, and when I opened it up, guys, this is what I was met with. Now, I was so surprised. I had the biggest grin. I'm not gonna lie, I've already looked in it. I was just too excited to not go through this box, guys. So I went through it and I was just so happy, guys. It just put a big smile on my face. Now, I know who it's from. So there was this card. Well, it was like, yeah, this little note card, and it just said it said a few words, but it was from the lovely Debrah. Hold forth, guys, look what she made. Now, I know this is in plastic. Let me take everything out of the box and we'll go through it. So I've just tried to adjust you on my little gooseneck thing to try and get it all in. So guys, this what was in the box. So I'm going to start off with these, and she has gifted me, which I know is in the packet, so sorry about the reflection, these lovely treat bags, guys. They are snowmen, and you get these lovely holly stickers. So those will come in so useful. And then the other thing that caught my eye first, because it was on top, was this notepad and pencil, guys. Look how sweet. I'm going to take it out. This is the lovely notepad, guys. It's got lined paper inside. Brilliant for me, because I cannot write straight for the life of me. I do try. This lovely pink pencil, guys, with a rubber on the top. And she has layered up these beautiful flowers and put in some lovely glitter. I don't know the paper pad, guys. I'm going to have to ask her, because I'm not sure what paper she's used. But look at that. I love this pink glitter. She's put a lovely bow. We've got some drops here. It says Merry Christmas. I love it. I love it. I just absolutely love it. And then she's also done these really cute, which I'm hoping I can take off the packaging and use. These lovely Christmas, what are they called? You know, I always get tongue-tied when I turn the camera on. Someone's going to have to tell me. I know what it's called. I just can't get it to mind. But she's done them lovely. I've got one on this box as well. I'll put those back in the box behind me. She also made this lovely frame, guys. This box frame, and it's got some lovely flowers. Oh, there we go. Lovely flowers on it and a bow. I think it's meant to be this way, actually. Sorry. It's actually meant to be this way. So cute. I love it. And then also we had this one, which was a shaker. Oh my gosh, I've not seen a shaker made this way. It's in a box. And then I know this is a Hobbycraft, because I had this collection. Well, I had some bits from it. And then we've got some lovely gingerbread, and it's like they're getting ready to go into the oven. They're on a tray. It's just so cute. And then the last couple of things that were in the box, I can sit down now, I think, was this glue holder, guys. And actually this paper, I think it's the Frank Garcia one, the last Frank Garcia one. And she's put these lovely feet on it, so it actually stands up. And then it says glue. She's die cut out the letters. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. It will sit on my desk. Now you're out of shot, you guys can't see it, but it sits on my desk absolutely perfect. And then also she's made this lovely Filo Box, and it says just for you here, and she's used some lovely pink paper. We've got another lovely one of these little, I know what it is, guys, it just won't come to mind, and I bet as soon as I turn the camera off it's gonna come to my mind. But she's made another lovely one in a beautiful lovely light pink color. And then, guys, it didn't stop there. Inside she's filled it with all these goodies. So I'll take those out and then we'll go through those as well. So the first one had in this card, and it is beautifully layered up with this lovely butterfly, and she's curled the paper and she's used some wooden pieces as well, and then just the little details like where the paper's ripped, and then you've got the little lace coming out of the corner there with a little diamond, and there's another one there. I just think it's so beautiful and cute. Oh my goodness. And then in the second one, she's given me another lovely die cut image of the gingerbread getting ready to go in the oven with some other little cookies. And she's made a lovely topper, bag topper here. It's just gorgeous. So I can use that in my Christmas crafting. And she's also gifted me these two as well. She's given me this lovely rose. So this is one of the ones that was on the Notepad, just a bigger version of it. But look at the packaging of this. It's just so gorgeous, and it says just for you, and it's got the bow. It's just lovely. And then she also done another one in the same packaging, but it's a die. It's a little globe die with some snowflakes. I can't wait to try and make this up. I was just so excited. I don't even know how I kept that one in the packaging. I'm not even joking. I was so excited when I saw this because I was not expecting it. And then the last one, I think this is the last back portion. There was just so many things in here. So I'll just take them all out. Oh, one's got a bit stuck. And guys, how sweet is this? I've got this topper. Oh my goodness, this will make such a lovely card, wouldn't it? And then it's got another little piece. Oh, this is on the outside, but you could use this on the card as well. And she's laid it up, this little snowman, so cute. And also in that little bit, she's gifted me this. Now this I'm going to take out of the packet. I'm going to take it out. Oh, it smells beautiful. As soon as I open the wrapper, I could smell it. It's strawberry, and she's made this little sort of like lip gloss box, and she's decorated it by layering up lots of different pieces, the snowman, the bow, lots of like little diamonds and blings. It's so sweet. Oh, I love it. And then on the back as well, even like where you could write the name of the person you were giving it to. And she's just sealed it with a little bit of washi tape, I think, if I'm opening this right. Am I opening this right? Yeah. But she just sealed it shut with some washi tape. And then it does have a little lip gloss in it. But the reason why I'm taking it out, because I think, yeah, she's covered the outside with some of that paper. Isn't that a good idea? So it just all looks lovely and tied in. Thought that was just so good, and it smells. Oh, my kid's gonna want that. That's going in my bag. Thank you, Deborah. I know you're watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And oh, I've got two of those little snowmen. This one's got some pearls as the buttons. So we've got some lovely hot chocolate. Love hot chocolate at Christmas. Always get the Costa speciality ones that they do, flavors they do at Christmas. And she's also gifted me this lovely die cut of, let me open it out of the packet, memory decks, cards, guys, and I just love it. She's laid up this lovely flower. Oh, and there's some bits inside. It's like a card. I can get it out. Yeah, it's like a little card that you could put something on it. On the other side you could write on. And yeah, it's absolutely beautiful and so cute. Look at that. This is actually for my first memory decks that I've received. Don't have any. That's it. Oh. She's actually also gifted me some of those wax seals, guys. So the sticker here says pretty things inside. And so I'm just going to... Oh, this sticker does not want to come up in one piece. I'm so sorry. I'm going to close my eyes while I do it. And then inside there's some beautifully pastel, guys, wax seals. That's what they're called. We've got a gingerbread, we've got 2 bows, and we've got 2 Merry Christmases, and they're gorgeous colours in those pastel colours that I love. So I'm going to put those. I'll be using those as well in my Christmas stash. And then this last packet, again, it's got pretty little things inside. And then inside, I don't know what's inside here. I haven't looked. Oh, it's a sequin mix, guys. And look at this sequin mix. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. It's Christmassy, but it's giving me princess vibes as well. Maybe Christmas princess vibes. That's what it's giving me. It's absolutely lovely. We've got balls in there, golden balls, white. We've got a mixture of purple sequins and some other little clear bits. And there's stars in there. Guys, this was jam-packed. It was a complete shock. And I've already said thank you to Debrah, guys. And it was just absolutely amazing. And it's just one of those things that you receive in the post. And yeah, I was just happy. I was just so happy. I can't wait to start crafting with those. I'll share those with you guys. Thank you again, Debrah. Lovely friend. Thank you. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.